Hello friends, and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can merge videos on iPhone. Please, friends, subscribe to the channel, write your comments, and don't forget to put your likes under this video. So, let's get started. And first of all, please open an application called iMovie on your iPhone. If you don't have it, then you will need to go to the App Store. Next, type the word iMovie into the search box. Next, open this app and click Download here. Wait for this app to download on your phone. After that, open it. And now, I will show you how you can create videos. When you open the app, click right here. Next, scroll down and select the video that you want to merge. Click Select. Once you've selected all the videos, click Create. Now, what can you do with these videos? First of all, you can take them off in places. To do that, you will just have to click and hold on a particular video. And now just drag it to the side that you're comfortable with. It's like this. You'll also be able to add some sort of, let's say, effect here if you need to. As you can see, my video has changed its color a little bit. Both one and the other. Also here you can go through some additional customizations. Maybe something will interest you. Also, if you click on the plus sign, you can add more video. You'll also be able to record some video on the camera or record your voice, for example, or add some melody. And after you've done all the moves you want to do with your video, you can also say, trim it. To do that, just click once on the video, select this sign here, and now you can crop it to the size you want. You can also write some text that you're interested in. And you can, let's say, speed up the video, or you can slow it down. And like I said before, you can choose some effect. And once you've made all the changes to your video, you'll watch it, you'll like it. To save it, click in the top left corner. Done. Now at the bottom, click on Share. Then share or save the video. And here you can either share it, let's say you're on some social network or some messenger. Also send it to some of your friends. And in order to save it to the gallery, just click on Save Video. Wait for it to save. After that, you will easily find it in your gallery. Friends, this is how you can easily merge videos on your iPhone. I really hope this video was useful and helpful to you. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.